Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Tech Learn with Ashish. This part is continuation of string functions. Next function, if I go with char index. So what exactly a char index is? So you know that the like this is I will demonstrate this directly. So what exactly a char does? So see, this is in SQL all the version you can see that. Okay, this is the syntax you have: char index, search expression to found, expression to search, and the start location. I will tell you the meaning of these all. Okay, the return type is integer. Okay, and see, these all the examples you have. Okay, so I will show you a simple example. Okay, so you have char index. So you can see here you need to give is like a comma and what is the search string and this from where it should start the position of the character. So I am starting from 1, so it will start from 1. Okay, and if I start from 2, it will start from here the second position. Okay, so for now we are starting from 1. Okay, see, in the first place only you are getting 1. If you need to have the h, okay, now run. So what it will do, it will show you the first whenever it finds the first character it matches, this will show you the position of that character. So the first is a, second is s, and third is h. Now I am starting from 1, so that's why it is showing h. If I want to find second character, what I need to do, I can start from 3. Okay, if I start from 3, it will display the same. We can go from fourth character. See, it is displaying 6. Okay, see, this character what I am putting manually, what you can do that you can put one more char index. Suppose you want to find second position of the same, okay, plus 1, and you can start from 1. So see, the char index you can find 6, the second position. I think I have made some mistake. 1. Okay, see, the 6 is coming. So what this is returning, how we can debug the code, it is very important. See, what is this returning? The third is the first position. After that I am putting plus 1, and after that I am searching the second position of that character. So this is all. Next, please share and subscribe this YouTube channel and comment whatever you feel for it.